I shouldn't have to show you nothing. You're being a fucking big piece of shit is what you're doing. Harassing somebody.
I told you why I pulled you over.
Yeah, and that's a bullshit excuse and you know it.
It's a violation
I'm not no
of the vehicle
fucking punk
code.
kid. Ain't no violation.
Neither
Ain't caused
am
no
I.
violation. I used my fucking blinker like you said. You admitted I used my blinker.
Yeah, you did. But you have to use it continuously for 100 feet.
Oh, get the fuck out of here. I
Before you
wasn't even
turn.
100 feet from the stop sign when
That's
I pulled
what I'm
up
saying.
to
It
it.
needs to be on.
An aggressive police encounter quickly turned hostile when field officers targeted a law-abiding citizen during an unconstitutional roadside detention. Under standard constitutional guidelines, a person commits the offense of civil rights violation under color of law if they willfully subject any inhabitant to the deprivation of any rights or privileges secured or protected by the Constitution. Rather than communicating professionally, the officers chose to escalate the brief contact into an authoritarian display of government power.
Here's my license, asshole. But you're a fucking prick. You need to find a new fucking job. You're just out here harassing people.
You have your registration card.
You ain't get. That's all you need is right there. Everything else, that's all you need.
You have proof of insurance with you in the car.
Listen, if I don't have insurance, it'll show up on your record, and you know that.
Okay. So do you
Just
have
run my
proof?
fucking name and be done.
Do you have proof of insurance with you in the car?
Yes, I have proof of insurance.
With you in the car?
It's on my phone, but you're not getting my phone.
Okay. Can you just show it to me? I don't have to hold your phone.
I shouldn't have to show you nothing. You're being a fucking big piece of shit is what you're doing. Harassing somebody.
I told you why I pulled you over.
Yeah, and that's a bullshit excuse and you know it.
It's a violation
I'm not no
of the
fucking
vehicle
punk
code.
kid. Ain't no violation. Ain't
Neither
caused
am
no
I.
violation. I used my fucking blinker like you said. You admitted I used my blinker.
Yeah, you did. But you have to use it continuously for 100 feet.
Oh, get the fuck out of here. I
Before you
wasn't even
turn.
100 feet from the stop sign when I
That's what
pulled
I'm
up
saying.
to
It
it.
needs to be on.
I come out of a parked position.
Superior in Anaheim and Costa Mesa. Right.
I
When you
come
came
out of
up
a
to
parked position. Wasn't even 100 feet to have time to put on the blinker. I still used my
That's not
blinker.
true.
Bullshit.
You had
dude.
over 100 feet.
Run
Okay,
my name
you
and
did
be
it
done,
twice.
man. You know
Okay.
what? If
Yeah.
that's all you've got, you're some bull. You must be a rookie cop, dude.
You have proof of insurance with you in the car?
Listen, run
Or
my
are you
name.
refusing to
Listen,
show it to me?
no, it's all on file. I've been through this before. It'll show on record once you run
The
my
only thing
name.
that's going to show is yes, you have insurance. No, you don't.
Exactly. That's all
That's
you
not
need.
accurate.
Yes, I have insurance, or no, I don't. That's all you need.
You don't have proof of it with you in the car. That's
If
not
it
correct.
shows that I have insurance, then it shows I have insurance, just like you said.
Look, man, I'm not trying to be difficult with you.
Yeah,
okay?
but
I
you've got
pulled
me
you
pissed
over.
off because you fucking had
That's
no
your
reason
problem.
to fuck with me.
That's your problem.
Exactly.
You're
You've
being
made
upset
it my
about this.
problem. Fucking with me.
Can you stop moving your hand down to where I can't
What?
see it?
My fucking... What do you... I'm in a pair of shorts, dude.
What does that have to do with it?
Exactly.
The tense situation exposed a critical lack of communication and reliance on fluid justifications when officers fabricated regulatory infractions to prolong the stop. These swift, inaccurate assumptions violate basic police procedures, which dictate that an officer must conduct a reasonable and neutral inquiry into a suspected violation before proceeding to issue a citation or impose an official penalty. The stubborn officers openly refused to listen to the citizens' explanations or review valid documentation presented on the scene.
Is your driver's license okay?
Yes,
Not
it's
suspended
okay.
Or expired?
No, look at the motherfucker, man.
Just trying to figure out what it is that's got you so upset.
You fucking pull me over for no fucking reason.
I told you the reason I pulled you over.
Come
sir.
on, dude. That's a bogus ass excuse,
It's a
man.
violation of the vehicle code.
Because I don't like people like you
I didn't
out here on
create
power
the laws.
trips. No, but you know how to fucking bend them and break them.
How am I breaking it?
Listen, dude.
Because I pulled you over
pulled
for
me over for
violating
using
vehicle
my blinker. Obviously, I didn't do nothing wrong. So you were sitting there watching me for some reason, and then all of a sudden you get behind me and follow me. Now you call all these fucking people here for what?
Okay, so do you have proof of insurance with you in the car or no?
Listen, dude, I already just told you.
Yeah, and I'm asking you again.
You can run my name, it'll tell you that I have insurance.
Well, it's not attached to your name, right?
Well,
Do you still live in San Diego, sir?
staying up here while I'm working.
Okay. So you have a new address, is that correct?
I mean, kind of, sort of, not really, but I'm just working up here right now, so just kind of staying in my car.
Okay. All right, understandable. How long have you been staying in the area?
I don't know, like 6 months.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Marsh, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me ask you this, and I'm not trying to upset you. Okay. Are you on probation or parole currently?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Look, man, it doesn't have to go like this. Right?
No,
I didn't
but,
yell at you.
no,
I understand you're
but-
upset. I
I
understand
mean,
it's a small
fuck,
violation
you
in
were
your
parked
eyes.
in a parking spot and you popped a U-turn after I was disappeared. Whatever you were doing, I didn't even know what for sure. It was just all kind of funny that you all of a sudden is behind me for no fucking reason, and then you want to pull me over for some bogus excuses when you know I was using my blinker. Come on, man, this is not my first rodeo. You can say all the excuses you want, but at the end of the day, we both know what it is.
Yeah, at the end of the day, you violated the vehicle.
No bullshit. I used
You
my
didn't?
blinker. No.
No? Okay. I'm gonna have him hop out. Hey, man, do me a favor. I'm gonna have you step out with my partner, okay?
For what?
Because I'm telling you to step out of the car. You can either do that on your own, or we will assist
Dude,
you, okay?
I bet you will, you fucking prick. Fucking piece of shit.
Hold on. Sit tight, dude. Put your phone down. Put your,
No, I'm not putting my phone down. I'm recording you guys. What's your badge number?
Put your wallet down on the ground real quick.
For what?
Because we're having you step out, I don't want you to have anything in your hands. Just sit down right there, dude.
Come on, man.
Go ahead and step out. Keep your hands where we can see them.
You see my hands, man. So you don't need to be putting me in cuffs. I haven't done nothing.
We're not putting you in cuffs. We're just bringing you back, okay?
Come back over here. Dude, you guys are pieces of shit, man.
Go and have a seat right here, man.
So why are you grabbing me like this?
Have a seat.
Can you just sit down, Mr. Martin?
Yeah, I am, bitch. We let tell you, man, to fucking get the fuck
Can you
off
sit
me.
down for me?
Can I just stand here if I'll be cool?
No, man. You
You got
passed
my
the point
fucking-
of not being cool. Can you just sit down for us, okay? Thank you.
That's the point of not being cool. You sure
The
right.
point of not being cool was what?
You're not being cool.
Okay, well, that's your opinion.
It is my opinion. It's fucking, it's straight up facts. You had no reason to even fuck with me.
We're done.
Yeah, we need to be done with this. This is some bullshit. Says I didn't hit my blinker on 100 feet before I turned. I wasn't even 100 feet from there when I pulled out of the parking spot. So I
did
don't
it
know
twice.
what the fuck he's
Well, I
talking
was
about.
behind you, I told
I
you.
use my blinker every time. I just didn't use it to his standards, obviously.
The hostile roadside standoff shifted dramatically when a supervisor was forced to intervene in the active investigation due to the clear lack of a legitimate charge. After reviewing the facts, the supervisor recognized the motorist's lawful status and ordered the field personnel to terminate the enforcement action and release him. This swift intervention is rooted in standard administrative policy, as supervisors are legally required to actively oversee field personnel to prevent the execution of arbitrary, false, or malicious enforcement actions against the public. The immediate dismissal of the stop completely undermined the aggressive narrative the lower-ranking field investigators had spent the encounter generating.
Where do you sit?
I'm done answering questions.
Okay, no problem. California Yankee Gate.
This dude's on bullshit.
9204 last of March. What no?
Minding my own fucking business. This dude wants to harass me.
Are you affiliated with any?
Listen,
criminal
don't talk to
street
me
gangs,
with
sir?
your bullshit, dude.
No. Okay. Mr. Marsh, I know you don't want to answer any questions. Okay. Which is fine. You don't have to answer any if you don't want to. Okay. Do you actually have insurance for your car?
Yes.
Okay. You have proof of registration with you in the vehicle?
Should be.
Should be. Okay. Where are they at? In the glove box?
Listen, dude, I'm not gonna go through this. I've been through this shit before. Y'all want to say my car's not registered? You're full of fucking shit. I'll fucking file a lawsuit on you guys for this.
I'm not saying it's not registered. I'm asking if you got proof.
I don't know. I have to show you proof of nothing. Run the fucking VIN number. Do your job.
Okay.
I don't know what the fuck this shit's about, but this shit ain't cool. shit renewed. That's what I need to do today. Go do my tags.
What's that?
I just noticed I need to get my tags renewed. This is fucking ridiculous.
You guys busy yesterday? Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
It wasn't
4,
too bad though.
5
Wasn't too
cops.
crazy.
We're wasting tax dollars. Fucking cop cars.
Yeah, that looked pretty bad. Yeah, that's pretty bad. They released any info on that yet? I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, it sounds pretty bad.
Hey, man. So I'm not going to write you any tickets, okay? I feel pretty inclined to do so since you think the law I stopped you for is made up. But
Listen,
I'm not
dude.
going to do that because I don't ordinarily write tickets for it. Okay?
All right.
All right? And your registration and insurance is good. Interactions don't have to go like this. You don't have to be
Exactly.
difficult.
We didn't have to go down this road at all.
You're right. You could have just been
I
cooperative.
could have been
and
nothing. You could
easygoing.
have. You know what? You could have just left me alone. We could have all did a bit a lot. You know what?
My job is to enforce
Could
the
have, would
law.
have, should have, but didn't.
Okay.
Right?
So, I did that. If you have an issue with it, you can contact the Newport Beach Police Department. I'm Officer Buffington. badge
Yeah, I do have an issue
1656.
with it. You're a
We'll
fucking
give 'em
piece
a
of
call,
shit, man.
okay? All right. Like I said, I'm not giving you any tickets. You're free to go. Here's your license, all right? See you around.
Before departing, the citizen firmly stood his ground, demanding the names and badge numbers of the primary instigators to ensure official accountability. He lectured the silent officers about utilizing common courtesy and taking a moment to listen to citizens instead of rushing to judgment and abusing their authority. Established legal precedents reinforce this civic pushback, declaring that the freedom of individuals verbally to oppose or challenge police action without thereby risking arrest is one of the principal characteristics of our free society. Armed with his documentation, the triumphant citizen left the scene while reminding the remaining officers to lose their unprofessional sarcasm. Like and subscribe for more.